Welcome back, fellas, into this new video to Express. Today let's check out how we can actually change your actual passcode directly from Facebook. The first thing what I want to do is to head directly here into facebook.com, focus into the upper right section here and look out for the option that says settings and privacy, and check once again the option that says settings. So once we are directly inside here, Meta has consolidated all security into the account center. So the option here is to look out the account settings that usually appears into the left section that says Meta Account Center. So I'm going to click directly inside here. The process actually is going to be really easily. Once you are directly inside here, the element that says the Meta Account Center, you want to look out for the option that says passcodes and security. Here I want to look out for the option that says change my passcode. Then it says choose an account to make some changes. So select your Facebook profile. If you have more than one, then just select the one you want to change. Then it says change your actual passcode. In this case, what you want to do is to type the current passcode that you currently have, and here you want to type the new passcode you wanted to add. Once you have successfully done that, you want to repeat that process and hit for the option, if you wanted to log out of all the devices. You can choose this if someone else used your account, and hit for the option that says changed account. In my case, I believe that I have on purpose put another passcode because I don't want to change this at the moment, but this is the process how we can actually do this. Now, just in case, what if you don't know your current passcode? Like me, for example, what you can do is to, let's say, right above the change passcode button, there's a small button. I'm going to hit a little bit here, like this. Usually it appears the element that says forgot your passcode, which in my case here it is, that I no longer remember my passcode. What's going to happen is that Facebook will offer my actual code with a verification of WhatsApp, which is the most fastest way, and hit for my receive. Facebook will let me skip the current passcode field and go straight for creating an actual brand new one. So after you change your passcode, Facebook will ask you if you want to look out for all devices. You can do this if you wanted to. If you don't, well, you're actually good to go. And basically that's how we can actually get started with my actual changing of my passcode using Facebook. The processes into Instagram and WhatsApp are exactly the same, so don't hesitate to do exactly the same process with these elements if you want to do it. So if you're tired of forgetting passcodes, watch the next video into the best passcode managers nowadays. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel, guys. If you want to see more great tools like this, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully we can see you guys next time.